project. As you can see, we've got our baby girl here, Ziva. She's about 10 weeks old, and you know what? We're gonna build her a bed. That's gonna look like a piece of furniture. It's gonna be open on one side. It's gonna have like a little door we can close off and lock her in it when we go to bed at night, but yet it'll still look functional and will look like a cage. So, again, if it's your first time here, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell for the icon for the notifications. And with that, we're gonna get started. We got Monkey Boy, we got PT that's gonna be helping us today, along with Ziva.
Well, Ziva's gonna go back in where it's cool and chill out.
Yep.
So do you want to take her back in, Jack?
Take her back in, Monkey.
That way she didn't get hurt.
All right. So if you pause now, you'll be able to see that this is how this is going to look. You've got your front opening here. You got the side. These are the side. These are the top. These are the dimensions across the top that we're making, and we're making this all out of 1/2-inch cabinet grade plywood with pre-primed pine 1x4, which you can get it at Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever your local lumber store is. But pause the video now, and you'll be able to make you'll be able to take the dimensions and sketch out what you want to do. All right, so PT, let's go ahead and adjust the stop on the drill bit so we can use our pocket screws. Today, one of the things that we're using today is we're going to use our Kreg pocket screw system. I'll leave a link in the description below, just because we are Amazon affiliates. All the money that we earn from Amazon goes directly towards this channel. We're an unfunded channel, and we're just trying to provide good quality content. So if you, right here on this, see that 1/2-inch, just slide in, and you want the base of that right there. So actually, did you already loosen that up? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that screw down, that set screw. On the Kreg screws, this Kreg system, what's nice about it is that it gives you your spots where to adjust according to the drill that you're using. And what we're gonna be using today, we're not gonna be using the big one. We're gonna use the handheld one, which you can see right here provides. That's our 1/2-inch thickness. So when you go to drill through the wood, as you're drilling in, you drill all the way through, but not quite, but you're not drilling it into the base of it. So again, we'll see how that works later on. All right, we're cutting out the back piece now. Bottom piece, we're cutting the bottom piece. Here we go. Joanna Gaines who? That's right. Not only is she beautiful, she is also master woodworker. All right, so when you're using one of these straight edge bars here like this, you can get the first side set however you want to for the distance from the line. What I do is I take the line and I mark it right here because that's the side curve of the blade, so I know that I'm gonna get a right on mark on that, right on cut. And then what I do is I follow up on the back side, squaring it up, because
That side's been cut, whereas the other side is not. It's actually your straight side.
Oh. Well, there you go. See? That's why she's the brains and the beauty of the family, and not just the grunt. All that often. I'm going to show her real quick how to use it, and then we'll turn it loose on it. So you want to make sure that when you're using the pocket screw system, I know I said we were going to use the handheld clamp, but I'm looking at it, it's going to be a lot easier and a lot faster to do it this way. What you want to make sure is that whatever side you're going to be doing your pocket screws through is the side that faces the jig. Okay. Since this is primed already, we're going to use the white side of it out. Going to go ahead and clamp it down. And then how many holes do you want? How many screws do you think we need?
I don't know, 2 at each end?
2 at each end? Okay, so we're going to do 2 at each end. And if you look on the you look on the jig, you see how it's got an A, a B, and a C. If you're doing a small piece of wood, you'd use the two B and C, but since ours was pretty long, we're going to use the A and B, or the A and C. And you just drop the drill bit in there. And there you go, folks. Nice new pocket screw holes that'll hide the screws. All right, we're gonna put these two pieces together. We're gonna make an L shape for a leg for it. Use Titebond original glue. I will leave a link in the description where you can get it. I think we got this at Home Depot or Lowe's. Home Depot. Okay. You guys think I'm gonna edit that out, don't you? Not. So basically what you do, see, first always, actually I can't see it now, so I'm gonna run bead of the By the way, your painters love it when you over glue things. Just want to throw that out. Isn't that right, painter?
Not exactly. The glue does not allow paint to stick to it very easily, so you have to sand it off if it is squeezing out the edges.
So what I do is I slide it up and down and around, line up your edges. Line up your edges, and you start at one end. Normally this is a magnetic tip, but it's not. MDF, specifically when you're working with MDF, you got to make sure you don't over tighten it, because if you do, you can split it out. I like using the impact on here on one, and then once you get, because we have six holes here, once you get everything. See that one walked on me. Whereas most people have to go to Joanne Gaines to get things built, I just go see PT. She makes everything. All right, explain to what you're doing.
Okay, so we have decided on where to place our four corners. It comes inside the top. This is the top piece that's facing down on the board here, so that we can secure the legs to the top first. This piece that I've laid right here is actually the bottom piece. So I wanted it to lay in there to give me a placement for my four corners. I'll do two of them on opposite sides and take this out, and then do my other two so that this can fit back in there on the bottom in the right place. Since I pre-measured and pre-cut everything, instead of waiting till the end to cut out the bottom, I did it, set it up so the top was 3 inches bigger all the way around than the bottom originally, so that this would work like this.
All right, PT, let's go. It's getting hot out here. Freaking hot in North Texas, that's for sure. Here, let me give you a hand. When you're using the Kreg screw system, each wood has a different length of screw. It's like when you're using a 1/2 inch screw, you're going to use a 1 inch screw for 3/4, you can use 1 1/4 inch. All right, YouTube. Hey, check it out. Look, we built our puppy dog a new bed for that's a piece of furniture. So Ziva dog doesn't have to stay in her kennel all the time. So we'll just go ahead and put it right there. Here we go. What do you think, there, baby girl? Huh?
Push back in a little bit bigger bed and put it in here.
If we get grandma to make her one.
We will be able to put it in bedroom or living room, wherever we'd like to hang it up. We kind of look like a piece of furniture and not look like just a dog kennel or a cage sitting out in the house.
So there you go, YouTube. Again, this is all made out of the scrap stuff that we had laying around the house from other projects that we had. So if you can do it, if Cameras can do it, you can do it. Rate, comment, and subscribe. We'll leave links in the description down here of some of the materials that we used. We used our Rigid Industries cordless screwdriver set, and as well as our cordless saw, the Kreg system. Again, we'll leave links in that. Again, rate, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell for the icon for notifications. And hey, this is a family project that we got to do. Monkey would give him a hat. Give him the spiel.
Subscribe.
You know,
All the good stuff.
Come on. He's being